What's up, guys? It's been 3 years since my first short film was released, and I thought it would be a really fun idea to make a little video on what I've learned since then. So let's get into it without further ado. Oh, and stick around till the end for an awesome link to an awesome wallpaper I just made just for this video, just for you. So, what have I learned? Number 1, there's always more than one way to do something. Always more than one way. But there's always a better way. Number 2, learn. Learn from your mistakes, learn from your failures, learn from what went well, what didn't go well, learn from other people. Always be learning something. Number 3, do not compare yourself to other people. Don't compare yourself to me, don't compare yourself to someone else. Compare yourself only with yourself. Number 4, be inspired by what's around you. Even in the most mundane circumstances, there's something inspiring somewhere. It's just a matter of finding that something and doing something with it. Number 5, think long term. Alright guys, hope someone is able to take something away from that. So what's next for me? I got a feature film, working on that. Second thing on my plate right now, got a little short film coming. Maybe, potentially, don't want to guarantee, but stay tuned for that. May the 4th be with you. Yep, you know what I'm talking about. If you don't, bruh. That was dumb. Okay. Hopefully I'll have something by then for it. If not, well, yeah. RIP. Let's see. I'm gonna try to put out a video every single month from now on. I want to put out more quality, more maybe even educational content. I want quality over quantity. Yes, so that means less short films, less feature films. Sorry, a little dust right there. And that is what is gonna happen. I'm gonna really hone in on quality, and hopefully people will notice. If not, well, at least I tried. You know, that's the best I could do. Right? Subscribe. You know, the whole kit caboodle. That apparently helps. Thanks for watching. Keep. I legit heard something. Wallpaper. Link in the description. Card up there, you know, that thing. It's cool. It's a thing. Alright, guys. See you later. Keep learning, growing, getting better at what you do. And I'll see you in the next video. Oh, and while you're here, why don't you just check out my first short film just to see how bad it was and see how much, not that how much I've gotten better, but how much you could get better. Seriously, if I can do it, so can you. See you later. Bye-bye. Alright, that's a wrap. Let me just do the intro again.